Yo guys, welcome back. Today I've got myself a new and improved Zomei tripod. And if you want to learn more about my old tripod, you can see it up here. So why don't we get this out? It is really nicely packaged, as you can see. Comes in a fantastic box. You even get to pick colors with this tripod. Oh yeah. No, we don't need that anymore. Who needs a box? As you can see, it comes with a lovely packaged, even says Zomei on it. And it's fantastic, very lightweight as well. So if you guys can guess what color this is, see if you get it right. Let me know in the comments below. So why don't we set this bad boy up and I'll show you all the cool features it can do. Yo guys, yes, it's red of course. Congratulations to those who have got it right. And as you can see, I've got it almost fully erected. So as standing form, it is 47 centimeters and at its full height, it is 147 centimeters. I've got it sort of in between at the moment. It's got a nice 360 move-in head. And another cool feature I like about this, as it's built off a professional tripod, as you can see, it's got a twist lock mount, which is fantastic. Very sturdy. Is that, you know, you can take this out, the screw plate, and it's much easier to screw your camera on if you have one. And don't worry, you can chuck your phone on here if need be. So if we put that back on, just simple clip. Now if you turn this little knob, I quite like this, and now you can go from landscape. Now if we tilt it up all the way, now you can have your camera portrait. Fantastic. It's got a nice little century bubble or level bubble. Go up to full height if we wanted to. You wind that up all the way and then all the way back down. Not too shabby, eh? And as you can see, it's got a nice hook, but very sturdy if you are out and about. Well, then windy days, I just grab my bag. As a demonstration, you use a sandbag or your camera bag, and then nice pull it down. See, it's not going nowhere now. It's very nice clippy feet. I love these. Undo it. We slide it down, down, and down again. And here are the clips, here we go. Great, ain't it? And they have non-slip pads. Let's say like circle bubbles. They fit fantastically on the ground. So as you can see, it's not going nowhere. Brilliant for if you're on the move. It is very lightweight, like it was in the bag. And in the bag, comes a set of instructions. So don't worry if you can't read English. It comes in multiple different languages. So it is great. And there's one more thing I'd like to show you that you can put on here or not put on here, depending on what you've got. It's a universal screw, so it will fit, say, your GoPro or your UE 4K. You just, I haven't even tried this yet. It's still so exciting. Turn it round, and there we go. We're kind of in. Not too shabby, but mostly you'll be wearing it out and about. So, anyhow, I would highly recommend buying this tripod. It is fantastic for such a cheap price. And now you'll see me going lots more places where, you know, I can't really go with a small tripod. All the links in the descriptions where you can get this from. It's a really great buy. So as always, guys, until next time, sit tight.